Welcome to the deep blue ocean. So many amazing sea creatures are waiting for us. Ready? Let's dive in. Wow, I'm a shark, strong, fast, and always on the move. Ooh, I'm a fish, tiny and colorful. I sparkle under the sunlight. I'm an octopus. Look, 8 wiggly arms. I can hide and surprise you. Yay! I'm a penguin. I slide on the ice and swim so fast. Amazing! I'm a dolphin. Smart, playful, and I love to jump through the waves. Whoa! I'm a crocodile. I rest near the water and wait patiently. I'm a walrus. Big, sleepy, and I use my tusks to climb the ice. Wow! I'm a shark again, gliding quietly through the deep blue sea. I'm a seal. I clap my flippers and love to play in the cold water. Ooh, I'm an octopus again. I change colors to blend with the coral. Amazing! I'm a manta ray. I float like I'm flying underwater. Wow! I'm a lobster. Click, click. My claws are strong, but I'm friendly too. I'm a starfish. I shine quietly on the ocean floor like a tiny star. Whoa! I'm a hammerhead shark. Look at my funny head. It helps me see all around. Ooh, I'm a frog. I can swim and jump. I like both water and land. I'm a whale, the biggest creature here, and I sing deep ocean songs. Wow, I'm a spotted hammerhead shark. Look at my cool dots. I'm a shark again, brave and calm in the open sea. Ooh, I'm a squid. I swim fast and shoot ink when I feel shy. Amazing! I'm a shark again. I keep the ocean clean and strong. Yay! I'm a dolphin again. I love racing my friends through the waves. I'm a seal again. I roll on the rocks and rest under the sun. The ocean is full of colors, friends, and magic. Thanks for swimming with us. See you next dive.